Hi, this is Axel, CTO at BioLiving. We've been hard at work again for an update of the Configurator. So it's the 3.0 version now. We've opened it up completely so you get full functionality, and we've even integrated our SAM standard collection into our library. Let's go through the update. In one of our more substantial updates to the SAM Configurator to date, we've decided to release our full configurator with all the bells and whistles to all of you. This means you get our full set of tools and modules to draw the SAMs that you need for your projects without restricting you to our base light components. Some of you might have also noticed that we launched our first SAM collection a couple of weeks ago. With this collection, we give you access to our most popular and optimal SAM designs, and you guessed it, these are available for download straight into your Sketchup model. When you receive the download link, you will also receive a link to the tutorial file. This should take you no longer than 5 minutes as you get to grips with how we assemble SAM units. For first-time SketchUp users, we highly advise that you start here. The priority with this update was to make the configurator more in line with our library and accurate so that the design that you make looks exactly like the SAM that you can get. Links to all of the above can be found in the description below.